Hello viewers, today in this video I'll be showing you how to do a knowledge flow or knowledge discovery in the Weka. So for this is the Weka GUI chooser. For this you have to click on this knowledge flow under the applications. Go here. Now a window will open up. So this is the Weka knowledge flow environment. So first click on this data sources to start with. Click on this ARFF loader and you can see this plus sign, cross sign. Now this means you have selected this. For you to paste this you have to left click. Now after this you have to go to evaluation and click on class assigner and paste it. Next you have to click on cross validation folder maker, that is here. Select it. Now after this you have to choose one classifier for classifying your data set. That is, for this you have to go to trees, click on this J48 and select it. Now after this you have to choose one classifier performance evaluator. So this will evaluate the performance of this classifier, that is the J48. Now after this you have to click on this visualization for visualizing the final results. For this click on this text viewer and paste it. Now these are the 6 nodes that we are going to use for this knowledge flow. So first click on this ARFF loader and select this data set. Now you can see there is a line, that is, this is called as a rubber band connector. Now you have to connect to this class assigner and you can see one red arrow with data set written on it. Now after this click on this class assigner and again click on the data set and connect it to cross validation folder maker. Now from cross validation folder maker you have to click on training set and connect to J48, as well as test set and connect to J48. Now from J48 you have to click on batch classifier and connect to classifier performance evaluator. Now from this classifier performance evaluator you have to click on this text and connect to text viewer. Now just arrange this properly. Now after this you have to click on this ARFF loader and click on configure and browse the file which you wish to load. That is, I will choose this vote.arff. click on this and set this to true and click OK. Now select on class assigner and go to configure and you have to select this nominal class. Although there are many other classes, click on this nominal class and click OK. Now you have to click on this play button to start the loading. Click on this. As you can see, this log will be showing on this. This is the status and this is the log. So status shows that everything is finished and is okay. Now your result is ready to view. For that you have to click text viewer and click on this show results. Now this is the text viewer. Now you can compare it with the experimenter results. It will be same as compared to this knowledge flow. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.